Hi everyone, it's Mike Jimenez with the Golden View team. I am a project manager. Today we find ourselves in the hefty rain in one of our projects in San Jose, where not only did we do an addition, but we did 3 bathroom remodels. Within the addition, we created a master room, a master bath, and a powder room for friends and family to use. Within the existing home, we converted a room, a bathroom, and converted it into a master bathroom and master room. But let's go ahead and hear from Mr. Randy and what he had to say. Follow me.
When I was first purchasing this house back in March 2023, I was already had a thought of like what I needed to do to change the house. The original layout had a very bad layout. I decided on Golden View as my general contractor. The customer service was pretty great. Golden View had a commitment to very great work. I had a couple bathrooms renovated, added a new powder room, extended the master bedroom. And then after a couple of months or so, we decided to actually change and add stucco and exterior siding, as well as reinforcing the porch, since this is a century-old home. Mike was my project manager. He worked tirelessly to bring my vision to life. Mike proactively scheduled a bunch of walkthroughs. I had a really great experience. It went very smoothly. Eleanor was my designer, and she did an amazing job going from my abstract ideas into the actual bathrooms and materials. I really like a very dark blue, deep inky blue color, and she did an amazing job accommodating for that, and also looking for both amazing and affordable materials to use. For the existing bathroom, which is now the guest bathroom, the best unique portion for that bathroom was that we implemented a bench for the bathtub, and I think that makes it a lot more usable, where originally it was just a blank wall. And then the master bathroom, I think, is the most unique portion would be the very deep and blue tiles that is in herringbone style. It really accentuates this very dark portion, and it's a good contrast and dichotomy to the lighter portions within the bathroom. I really love the lighting system. I really love being able to customize. I actually had friends and family come over, and we were playing with the lights, making it more in terms of the mood that we really wanted. If you're trying to renovate, I would definitely pick a Golden View as one of your top choices. I would definitely choose Golden View for a future project.
Thank you for stopping by and taking the opportunity to listen from the testimonial of my client, Mr. Randy. If you would like to experience the same journey that he went through and you're looking for something similar, please reach out to Golden View. I am Mike Jimenez, and I look forward to working with you.